In this video, I will show you how to set up two-step verification in LinkedIn. Firstly, when you get into a fiction like that one, you need to tap on your profile icon on your left upper side, then go settings on the first selection, which is on your right side section. Then from there, as you can see, you have all these selections. You need to go on the second one for security. And right after you get there, you need to type on your site selection, which is right down, which is two-step verification. And as you can see, that is turned off. You need simply to tap on that selection and try to just turn it on, or simply get set up with that blue line section. Then you can choose your verification method. I'm gonna go with phone number, then go continue. Then from here you need to select the country where you get that phone number. And when you get done with all that selection, simply what is the main point right here, it is to type your phone number and here enter your LinkedIn password. Then go simply to check out your site selection, and here it needs to send you verification code, which will take you on your phone number. As you get that number, you need simply to get it right here and go just verify. And yeah, right now the two-step verification, it is turned on, and you can simply turn it off wherever you want and simply get the main point.